Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dutch Rudder here. We got a short little video today. We're going to install some high beam LED headlights. These are the Auxbeam GT series, and as well as some Meso interior lights. So sit back and enjoy.
I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. And if I find a way to get it, when I do it, I can live it and forget it. Cause I hate how much I love you, or I hate how you just put me in my feelings.
Not sure if you guys will be able to hear me, but it is, or because it is windy. But the wiring I just kind of let hang for now. Pretty chilly. Just want to get these in super quick. Nothing real in depth. Everybody's put headlights in before. There are a couple different places I could probably zip tie them up or some type of 3M, but there you go. There's a finished product.
Lost, where do I go? I was in the chase, caught a flat on road. It was all love, X no O. I was feeling rich, but we turned out broke. North Pole, life so cold. Lukewarm love, should've took it to the stove. You were bad news, all kind, no pro. We grew apart fast. I guess we was reaping what we sowed.
So here's a part that I realized that I'd lost the footage of when I installed the fog lights. These are the Meso Ultimate Turns. These are the first fog version. I'm not sure, second version. They're not the sequential version is what I'm trying to say. These look super sweet. If you do want me to do a video on the install of those, it's super simple. I can do that. I'm just not going to right now. Now the next little piece we have Meso Ultimate Interior LEDs. We have the dome light and the map lights. Map lights I got from Meso. Dome light was out of stock at Meso, so I ended up getting from Tacoma Beast. And I'll be using these tools that I use for cell phone repair. I had them laying around. Should be a nice, quick, little, simple install. There's a little shot of before, and I will skip to the after.
I guess we was unequally yoked. Guess if we was putting on the shoulder. Guess we should've tried to take it slow. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be growing old. Now I can't believe that it was real. It was back in late December when I did it. I just wish I could forget it. Cause I hate how much I love it, or I hate how I just love to catch a feeling. Yeah. And you told me that you understood the gravity, but now I know you didn't. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember.
So if you couldn't tell already, here's the finished product. And the dome light doesn't work. It worked when I was checking the polarity. I put it up in there. Now nothing. So I'm going to have to get a hold of hopefully Tacoma Beast or Meso. I'm not sure, but we will be sorting that out. That's kind of a bummer. I was really excited for these. It's a great idea. The LED panels were coming loose. It's not a real great way to secure them in there. As you saw on the fronts, they came out, and the back actually came out in the packaging before I took it out. So, not sure what's going on there, but there we go. One half of Meso working.
I guess we was unequally yoked. Guess if we was putting on the shoulder. Guess we should've tried to take it slow. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be growing old. Now I can't.